Okay, up next, Lee. Stand up for me, please, sir. You sang Beast of Burden. While the judges loved your vocal, and they think you're improving, they thought the song was safe and it lacked some confidence and personality. Simon often talks about finding the moment, creating the moment. When you think about what that moment could be for you, what would you do to create one?
I think from this point on, I need to, be myself and really just let loose to what I know I'm capable of. And to have a moment, I think it just means to do your absolute best, like when you're up there and not hold back at all.
Do you think if you stick around that you can relax on the stage and get rid of some of the nerves?
I have no choice. I mean, at this point, I have to, and I plan to if I stay.
Lee, after the nationwide vote, keep working on it. You're safe. Take a seat.